Alaikum everyone, I hope you all are doing good and I hope you all are in the best of your health. So today I'm going to be making potato pancakes. So let's just go ahead and get right into the recipe. The first ingredient that I have used are these grated potatoes. I have used 3 medium-sized potatoes and I have grated them, as you can see over here. One of the most important things that you have to do after grating these potatoes, you have to drain out the remaining water inside it. Next ingredient is an egg. I have used an egg and I have beaten it, as you can see. Next, I'm going to be using finely chopped 1 onion. This is all-purpose flour or maida. I have used 3 teaspoons of it. And salt to taste. And to give an Indian touch, I'm going to be using cumin powder. So let's see how we are going to mix all of these ingredients together. I'm going to be using garlic juice or garlic water. So it's just to give a little bit of a nice smell, a garlicky smell to the pancake. The beauty about this pancake is the fact that you can add as many masalas as you want. You can also add turmeric into it to give it a little bit of color. You can also add coriander powder if you like it. Add coriander leaves to give more color to the pancake. So I have mixed everything up really nicely, as you can see, and the consistency is just perfect. You don't want it to be runny, you don't want it to be very soggy. It's just perfect, as you can see over here. Now let's begin the process of making the pancakes. Quick reminder, when you are making potato pancakes, you have to use a non-stick pan. To make sure that the pan is hot, as it is, and now I'm going to add oil. Not too much oil, just a little bit. And then to pour the batter, you have to use a bigger spoon because the batter is not runny and it's thick, so you should use a bigger spoon like this and then put the batter here and then spread it out easily. I'm cooking this pancake on medium flame because the potatoes are not boiled or anything, they are raw, so they need the time to cook themselves. So that you have to keep. They are done. As you can see, the pancakes are ready and they are ready to be served. You can serve them with green chutney or you can serve them with tomato sauce. It's up to you. Both of these go well with the pancakes. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we will come back with you with another awesome recipe. So till then, Assalamu Alaikum, take care.